Yeah. Pull him up. Make him jump again.
Wait a minute, if there's a snake that jumps out of here. Yeah. Didn't come to the surface again. That rattle trap.
Yeah. It's gonna be hard to get out too. Oh. Don't break the line.
I'm getting to come up again.
You gotta wear him out.
I'm trying to.
So is that the alligator gar?
I guess so. I didn't see it.
Oh man, that thing was looked like about 2-3 feet long.
This has got to be pretty deep down here.
Yeah, I think it's deep on the edges. I don't think it's deep in that center. Oh, there he is. Holy cow. Yeah, he's tired.
Well, no, he's not.
Not the fish.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not getting that out of his mouth. Jeez. How do you cook that? Oh, there he goes.
Holy Toledo. You see that?
Yeah.
First time I ever caught one of them.